Welcome to Saigon. In today's video, we'll be staying at the Fusion Suites Saigon Center. The hotel is in the heart of Saigon in District 1. The Fusion Suites is one of the most underrated hotels that we have stayed at so far. They have rooms starting at $83 all the way up to $150, catering to everyone and every budget. In today's video, we'll be staying in one of their suites with a bunk room for our kids, and it is absolutely spectacular.
Guys,
this is a nice entry. Look at
you
this.
know what, guys? This is a 4-star, but let me tell you before I let you guys in, it's actually better than some of the 5-star I've been at. I really like it. Come in. So when you first walk in, it's a kitchen setup, which is unusual, right? I really like all the wood tones. Look at this. Fridge, look, the fridge is in here. I don't think it's plugged in, but look. Microwave, bowls. Look how clean this is, guys. Clean. For a 4-star, this is very well done. And look at the wood tone. I like it a lot. So you walk in, this is like you hang your stuff, yeah? So we got kind of like a connecting room. But look at this, guys.
Look at this, guys. This is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice. Look, there's
all wood.
This bed. Yeah, I like the wood color a lot. Yep. So this is the master, I guess you want to call that.
Look, we got a sofa bed here. And then this is a working desk.
So we are still in District 1. Look, you can see the Bibliothèque from here. Look at that. The view's not bad. Still District 1.
Nice view.
And then
a mural, nice.
I really like this mural. Look at this mural. I like the palette a lot.
Yeah.
Gray, white,
and then we got
and gray.
Bunk beds.
Yep.
Yeah. Real nice.
Yep.
Got a big working desk so I can do some work.
I like the palette a lot. Very neutral. And the pictures is very modern. Look at this glass door, guys.
Yeah, look at the shower.
Cool. Look at the shower.
Very nice shower.
Yep.
Nice bathroom.
The tub is clean. I will be enjoying this. Yep.
Oh yeah, I like the color palette. I like the wood
love
tone.
the color palette. Like this is something I would do to my house.
This is a really good wood tone.
And you know what? Look, this is like a lot of craftsmanship. So we know from doing a lot of subway tiles. See, it's not like one gigantic piece of tile, it's individual subway tiles.
Yeah, really nice.
Very nice.
Really,
and look,
really
the drop line are still white.
Yeah, really good.
Very nice. I like the floors.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's the hotel here. I will show you guys downstairs, which is really nice too. They have a full service coffee shop and everything. Looks really cool. It looks really nice. So I'll show you guys that later on. But see you in a little bit. Welcome to the patio section. So at the front of the hotel, it's actually a very nice sitting area. I mean, look at this. You got seats out here, you got stools out here, you got umbrellas. So if you really just want to hang out here, I'd do it. Really nice. They have it on both sides over there too. This hotel here is actually the nicest hotel on this street. Seriously. So when you guys walk around, you guys are gonna be welcome to this fabulous front porch. And you're gonna know that this is your home for a couple days because it is like absolutely the nicest hotel on this street. Now on the next following street over, there's some more hotels over there, but just know that this street right here, you guys got the best one. All right guys, we're checking out today, but I wanted to stop by the lobby and film it for you and let you guys know that they have an amazing like coffee bar here that you guys can just come down, order your drinks. You can have a seat here or you can take it back to the room, but the drinks here are really good. The coffees are around 90,000, and they have like all sorts of coffees to choose from. They also have teas also that you can also bring to the room. But don't forget, you can also have lunch here as well as dinner. And then they also, you'll see these bars that are right here. That's where your free breakfast is gonna be. We elected not to take the free breakfast because we're in District 1 and there's so much food options that are around, so that we'd rather eat that instead. But you guys might want to take that option if you guys want it. It is an option if you decide to book. So when you guys book through Agoda, you can pick that you want the breakfast or you don't. We chose not to. So make sure you guys ask that too. If you guys do book on a different site, I'm not sure if they will ask you, but they will ask you here at check-in. When you check in, they'll ask you if you like the breakfast or not. But if you do, this is where it'll be. And I checked it out, it's pretty decent. It's not the best breakfast, but it is pretty decent. If you don't have time to like go around for breakfast, or you're too lazy and you just want to come down, definitely worth it. But definitely check this place out. Also, they do have a lunch menu too, so if you do want to eat lunch here, they do have that here as well. Okay.
So if you're looking for a place with everything at a great price and is located in the heart of Saigon, make sure you check this place out. We would love to come back. Thanks again for watching until the end, and if you guys liked our channel and like these reviews, please like, subscribe, help us out with a super thanks, maybe buy us a coffee, and again, we'll see you guys in the next one.